Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about how to download Visual Studio Code. So stick with me so that you can learn how to download Visual Studio Code to the end. So the first thing that you have to do is to go on Chrome. So you can use any browser that you want, but as for me in this video I'm going to use Chrome. So when you go to Chrome, just search for direct download Visual Studio Code for Windows. Like this, if you want to download Windows 7 so when you're at Google, you just have to click the first link that appears. So you choose according to the type of operating system you are using. If you're using Mac, you can go and click this link. If you're using one to one, this link. If you're using Windows 10, 11 or 7, you can click this link. So what happens when you click this link is that it will take you to another page. So on this page, it automatically starts downloading. So I'll stop it since I already have it. This installed. So on this page you can download a lot of things. If you want, you can download Visual Studio Code documentation. You can download Python. You can download MS Visual Studio Code and another extension pack for JavaScript and GitHub Copilot. So how to install? It's just a simple straightforward.